Okay guys, so today I'm doing a squishy haul because I recently went to Michael's and I found a whole bunch of squishies. I always wanted some, but I never got any. I mean, these aren't technically real squishies. Even on the tag they call them smooshers. But anyways, let's get started. So, the first thing I have is this cupcake. It was $3. Doesn't even squish, yeah, well, but it was really cute, so I got it. The next one I have is this chocolate cake, which I really like. I mean, none of these are really slow rising, but this is like the second most slow rising. It's really soft.